Hey there everyone, welcome to PaintMystic, my fresh series of paintings inspired by the legendary Bob Ross. I'm going to work on painting a cabin in the hollow. To start, I took some adhesive paper and cut out an oval shape. Then I stuck this paper onto the canvas. I'm currently painting with a natural sponge, applying a grey gesso to show leaves in the background. After that dried, I switched to black gesso and continued dabbing to add depth. I've used a small brush to show the tree trunks, small branches and twigs. Here's a little trick I like to do. I'm applying a thin layer of liquid clear. The branches, bushes, leaves and twigs are really popping in this scenery. I'm going to grab a paper towel to wipe away any extra liquid, and whatever is remaining will be just right. It won't dry out completely. It'll still have a little moisture left, which is great. I'm mixing a dab of phthalo blue with some titanium white to create the sky color. Next, I'm going to mix alizarin, crimson and titanium white to create that beautiful pink hue of the horizon. I'm adding some hints of leaves using the same blend of colors I used for the horizon. When I'm putting in the leaves, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button. Your support really keeps me going and inspires me to create more awesome artwork for all of you to enjoy. I'm currently using a mix of phthalo blue and alizarin crimson to create a darker shade, indicating the presence of leaves, bushes and branches in the painting. I'm using the same technique as before on the sky to create the appearance of leaves as we move closer to the bottom of the trees, mixing a bit of phthalo blue and titanium white. Remember, don't hide all the deep colors in the backdrop. Bob Ross was all about painting happy little trees and peaceful scenery. He loved capturing the beauty of nature in his artwork. Bob Ross's impact lives on, motivating upcoming artists. No matter if you're a pro or just beginning, Bob Ross's work shows us that we all have the ability to make something truly beautiful. Look at that, snow has covered the ground. I've made a cool addition to my painting by adding a stream. It's super simple to do, just grab some phthalo blue and titanium white. Then make downward and horizontal strokes. It's as easy as that. Imagine waking up to the soothing sound of water flowing and stepping out of your cabin to take in the breathtaking view of the blue stream. The serenity of this place is truly mesmerizing. The cabin, nestled in the hollow, provides the perfect setting for a peaceful retreat. It's the perfect spot to unwind, reconnect with nature, and create unforgettable memories. So let's appreciate the beauty of this natural wonder and cherish the moments we spend in harmony with nature. I'm just clearing the snow and neatening up the edges before I start painting the cabin in the hollow. As Bob Ross would say, this is your world. You paint however you wish, do what makes you happy. I'm about to start painting in this cabin that Bob Ross really loved. I don't think anyone can capture the essence of a cabin like Bob Ross did. I'm using Van Dyke brown and a dab of titanium white. Here's one of my top picks from Bob Ross's artwork. I'll be creating more paintings soon, so make sure to follow me on YouTube by hitting that subscribe button. I'm now adding bushes and twigs in the foreground using that same dark color. Let's switch back to titanium white now to paint some lovely snow on the bushes. How about we create a snowy trail in front of the bushes? In your own world, you have the power to make your very own snowy paradise. Just like Bob Ross would say, even a little art blunder can turn into a delightful surprise. I'm currently painting a fence with Van Dyke brown paint. You can choose to paint this fence in a straight line or as wobbly as you want. It's all up to you. I'm using titanium white to create a snowy effect on the fence. Check out how this artwork has really popped. I had a blast painting this and I hope you had fun watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to PaintMystic. Your comments mean the world to me, so feel free to drop one below. If you have any Bob Ross paintings you'd love to see me recreate, just let me know in the comments. Take care until next time and catch you soon on PaintMystic.